Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are Wednesday, and it is the 2nd of June, and it is 7:43 a.m. Eastern Time, US, beating 75.25. So let's dive into the analysis here with us and trading Emini. So we're going to look at a couple of other markets, by the way. Let's take a pen. Remember, the big idea I gave you last week is this. We have the lows from March, and I'm taking the Dow Jones this morning. Higher highs, higher lows. We break the trend line. We're on a 1, 2, 3 formation here. And that's the key in the Dow right now. It's the key on the ES. It's the key on all the indices. See? This is the key. If we break that level here, okay, that 97.74, okay, that's it, it's done. Okay, we are going to really have a bad move in the markets. Okay, otherwise we'll stay in that range. You had a sort of a double top here. Double top is always when the second top is higher. It broke the trend line. You are in that range. The middle of the double top on the Dow, 97.75. So 9775 or 9774, remember that. And the top here, okay? Just below the 11,000 mark, right there, okay? That's the ping pong zone. If we break that 9774 on the Dow, this is really, really bad, okay? Same on the ES around the 36, 37. Let me show you. Let's go on the ES. Otherwise, what will happen, you'll be ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Okay? The ES has the same idea. So, higher lows, right? Since March, trend line broken with the higher lows, higher highs. We're on the 1, 2, 3 formation. I told you, Google the word 1, 2, 3 formation. Victor Spandero's book. Very, very good stuff. It's basic, but it's good stuff. Okay? And here, so the low here is 37, the high here is about 1150 on the range of the 1, 2, 3. If we break that 37 and stay below that 37 on the daily close, this is real bad for the market. Otherwise, what you have to look each time is if they play ping pong, do they cross, momentum down, recross back up into the channel here. This is key because we have a huge problem in the ES at 1100, 1105, as I'm going to show you in the power zone right now. So let's go to the power zones. Let's go to the day trading zones right now. So what is the day trading zones showing us for the ES? Well, it shows us the big cluster here of zones. See what I mean? Big cluster of zone between the 96 and the 1106 there. All of this is huge. As a matter of fact, we did a double top on Friday, and we continue making lower highs. Okay, so the big one here is to sustain the 62. You know, there's lower high and there's that 62, the low 60s. If that 62 breaks, we are on our way to retest that 40.75 and possibly the 35 again. Okay, but this is key. Okay. The 62, you had a 56 as well, but I would look 62 and the 40.75 if they want to do an inverse head and shoulder, okay, on your daily. Okay, so now what do you come? You come into this morning. So Friday the big cluster was there, 96, 1105, and that rejected. The big cluster that we have also for days and days with the zones here is this area. It was 83. 88, 83, 88.5. Now it's 81, guys. It's 81.5, 88. The 7 points here is a huge problem in the market. And this is your big resistance. And you see we are what? 6 points away from it. 5 points away from it, from that big cluster of zones here. So the next trading zones that I would look at here is that 62. We are playing ping pong between that 62 and that 88 here for the past 2 days, 3 days. Okay, that's the big one. Okay, so you have everything. I would not really. I mean, I took some longs yesterday because it looked good when they squeezed. What happened is you came in yesterday, okay, and they brought it intraday down, down, down. Then they proceeded to squeeze it back and cover. Okay, so I took some longs here till about 12:30. Did only what 3-4 trades. Okay, but really here you had the lower high. You see that lower high, that was a killer. Cross recross of the zone at 88, 89, then the 83 at the time. That was boom. You know, that was a killer. And there's still lower high from here, lower high from the day. You couldn't push a new high above the 96 or the 95, whatever it was, or the 94. Okay, and so this is key. Okay, so you have big cluster here. Be aware when you day trade, because ping pong zone, when you have ping pong zone like this, up and down, you might play both sides, but you have to be aware that the main trend so far is down, that the lower highs are in place, and you have to be aware where are the resistance and the cluster of trading zones. And the day trading zones here is 81, 89 is a big problem. And then even if they pass that, we have huge problem between 95 and 1106. Okay, on the support side, I told you have 62. Below 62, we're going back towards the 4075 again. Okay, 51, 4075, and the 35. You take care. You have everything. As far as the euro, I have showed it to you last week. The euro, let me show it to you, because I know some of you trade the euro, and we look at all markets. We look at the euro, we look at the bond ZN, we look at the our main market is the ES and the Euro Forex, but we have an eye on the I have an eye on the ZN as well, the bonds, and you can look at the gold, and you can look at the crude QM. Anyway, that's why the trading zones are powerful, because they are applied to all markets that have volume. Let's look at the euro. Okay, EU. Oh yeah. This I will not be able to do today, because I just switched something to the server. So this we will not be able to do, and you will have to wait again for the server. Okay, on the server we will be able to show you a lot of symbols, and we stay tuned for a nice surprise within the next few weeks. We'll try to do something for everybody, but we have not decided the exact way to do so. Anyway, guys, you can get those pre-market zones 3 times per day per week right now, until we figure what's going on with the server and the stream. Okay, you take care. You have a great day. Look at the 121.18 for the euro. This is key. I told you for weeks. Look at last Friday's video. You have a great week, everybody. Take care.